Welcome to the stream of knowledge.
Kidney disease is a common problem affecting about 10% of the world's population. When the kidneys aren't working properly, waste builds up in the blood, including waste products from food. Therefore, it's necessary for people with kidney disease to follow a special diet. It helps boost kidney function while preventing further damage. Here are 20 of the best foods for people with kidney disease. Number 1. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutritious vegetable that's a good source of many nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and the B vitamin folate. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with nutrients and one of the best sources of antioxidants you can eat. Number 3. Sea bass. Sea bass is a high-quality protein that contains incredibly healthy fats called omega-3. Number 4. Red grapes. Red grapes are not only delicious but also deliver a ton of nutrition in a small package. Number 5. Egg whites. Although egg yolks are very nutritious, they contain high amounts of phosphorus, making egg whites a better choice for people following a renal diet. Number 6. Garlic. People with kidney problems are advised to limit the amount of sodium in their diet, including added salt. Number 7. Buckwheat. Many whole grains tend to be high in phosphorus, but buckwheat is a healthy exception. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy source of fat and phosphorus-free, making it a great option for people with kidney disease. Number 9. Bulgur. Bulgur is a whole grain wheat product that makes a terrific, kidney-friendly alternative to other whole grains that are high in phosphorus and potassium. Number 10. Cabbage. Cabbage belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family and is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant compounds.
If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. If you want a lecture on any topic, you can do a comment. We will make it easy for you.
Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share.